Good morning, all and one. Myself, Professor Dr. Sri Krishna Tupare from Anandivai Pradhan Science College, Nagotne, presenting here a micro teaching on the subject of preparation of sodium extract by using some precautions. डॉक्टर बाबासाहेब आंबेडकर मराठवाडा युनिव्हर्सिटी छत्रपती संभाजीनगर HRDC MMTT organized 15 days refresher course in disaster management, and I have chance to represent here a micro teaching on the subject of preparation of sodium extract, or it is commonly called Lysen test. During Lysen test, we need sodium metals, and therefore there are some safety measures while performing the sodium extract. In identification of organic compounds, we will go through different steps, and first step is preliminary test, then solubility test, chemical type, detection of element, functional group, and lastly physical constant and result in the given format. In detection of element, you know that many organic compounds contains carbon, hydrogen and oxygen as an elements, but other than these three elements, there are also some hetero elements like nitrogen, sulfur, halogens, and therefore to know these elements, we will perform the sodium extract test, or it is called as Lysen test. You know that this test is performed with the help of very active element, that is called sodium. Sodium violently reacts with water or the moistures, and which affect on the skin, and therefore during the performing this sodium extract test, we have to follow the safety measures. And now in front of you, dear students, I am performing this demonstration as a preparation of sodium extract or the Lysen test. Before starting, we have to take some apparatus. That apparatus should be dry, because we will be working with the sodium metal, and therefore we have a sodium metal kept under the kerosene. We have one forceps. Then here some filter papers, organic compound is taken. This conical flask is here. Then we require pair of tongue, test tube holder, spatula, wire gauze, tripod stand, and funnel. After collecting all this dry apparatus, we will take small piece of sodium metal. First it is dried with the help of filter paper to remove all kerosene, and then this small piece of sodium is taken into the fusion tubes. Then it is gently heated to fuse this sodium metal, which is taken in the sodium fusion tube, and therefore I gently heat it to fuse very nicely. Yes, it is fused out. Now I will add small quantity of substance organic substance in it with the help of spatula. And then it is further heated in the reducing flame first of all, that is the yellow flames. Yes. And then it is further heated into the oxidizing flame, blue flame, till it is red hot. I have portioning this here, which have small quantity of water, generally 10 to 15 ml of the water is taken, and then after red hot fusion tube is ignited, fusion tube is break into the this. See here, some fire is catch. It means that some sodium is remain unfused, but that fusion tube is break, and now it is need to boil this solution. So we boil it. After boiling it properly, we filter this sodium extract okay, it is boiled now. Carefully it is filtered. Then off this burner. In addition to this, we have to use the hand gloves, or students. You may also use the safety goggles during performing this test, and then we will get a sodium extract. It is the sodium extract and ready to perform test for nitrogen, sulfur and halogens. So my dear student, you follow me and perform this test for today's identification of organic compounds. Thank you very much.